Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am unboxing a surprise happy mail sent to me by Serena Bee Creative. So she was very kind. I had sent her a Halloween happy mail, and it was just solely based on wanting to send her some things that I thought that she would enjoy. But she was so kind, and she actually went and created for me a Christmas happy mail. Now, I know how much she loves Halloween, and to me, Christmas is my holiday. So it was very kind. She said she was going to send me something, so I thought I would unbox it for you. I have a little note here that I will read off of camera, and I'll just take everything out. Everything's wrapped just like a little bit of Christmas. I still have not taken down my Christmas tree. I am not ready to say goodbye to Christmas whatsoever. Sorbet sticks, aka flavored sugar. Cute, all packaged up. Christmas colors. How fun. What a neat idea. I still have not taken down my Christmas tree because I am not ready to let go of it being Christmas yet. Okay, so let's just take everything out here and move everything out of the way. So, look at these pretty puffy stickers. Puffy stickers are about one of my favorite things. And those are some really cute Michaels puffy stickers. I actually do not have anything like that. These are very different decorative stickers. These Christmas trees. Look at that. Something else. Aww, these are super pretty as well. Wow, I like those. Nice gold and white puffy stickers. Date stickers, always. Aww. Oh, and a vintage Christmas kit. That's cute. I've seen her junk journals that she's been creating with all of her vintage finds, and it's cute to see what it is that she found for me in here. I know she goes to, and this is, her and I are the same with this. I love going to the thrift stores and looking through some things that might be, you know, your typical manufactured products for scrapbooking with, but other times it's fun to find little items that are eclectic and something that you can use a creative spin to repurpose in a different way. It's kind of like a way of recycling. So she's got some vintage Christmas cards. Oh, that's funny. So they're in French. I know she had said that she has a hard time finding books where she is in Canada because everything is French-based. She is in Montreal. So in Montreal we have they have French as their primary language, even though all of Canada is dual, English and French. So this is fun, so that I can work with some of these ledgers that she has found and purchased to repurpose, and some old music sheets. Like, what a neat concept, and some old Christmas cards. And then tucked in here, one little crate paper tag that I recognized. So that's cute. Okay, so that's a fun little sweet vintage Christmas kit. A little Christmas tree, a little certificate. Cute. Now there's this one right here. That's from Crate Paper's latest winter Christmas collection. So, speaking of which, I can see the collection here. So this is their 2019-2020 Christmas collection that they, oh, and it's a box that she has created. Stay cozy. And let's just open it up. Oh, I see. It opens up like this. Oh, and it's filled with tea. How sweet is that? Let's have a look and see what kind of teas are inside here. So Serena is super creative and Earl Grey, and I just love following her channel. She's actually on Patreon as well. I've recently joined her Patreon group. Aww. I'll leave all the information below if you're interested in seeing more of her work. I love her videos. I love hearing about her adventures, and she's so open and genuine and kind, and she's very inspiring. Toasted coconut. Look at that. Almond bark. I haven't had anything like that before. I am a tea drinker. Primarily I drink water, but Earl Grey, peppermint, and any sort of cinnamon or like sweet flavored kind of teas are among my favorites. I love a good green tea. So that is really a nice mix of some different teas that I have not tried before. I have not tried this Twinings Earl Grey brand. And this is definitely something new to me there. Chamomile. Okay. And then inside of this, she has so many treat bags. This one's all black and glittery. Aww, a snowflake bookmark. That's so sweet. Open it up here. I could perhaps use this in my planner, because I'm always, oh, that's really neat. I'm always looking for ways to mark the pages, and this has a pretty tassel that hangs off the top. That's super thoughtful, and that just slips in the tassel. It's very simple and very pretty. That there. Okay. I can see this car under here again. Crate Paper is probably one of my favorite manufacturers. Oh, look at that. Wow, she's got this really wrapped neat. Oh, so that it all stays in. How perfect. So it's in this little bag to keep it from opening. This is like a really nice, substantial little cabinet. I actually purchased one of these recently from our local dollar store, thinking, oh, that would be great to have a little place to hold a couple of little trinkets and things. And I couldn't even, I took it out of the package and I immediately put it in my donate bin because I can't even use it. It is so flimsy. This is solid. And look, I'll give you a little peek at the side. It's come filled with some goodies already. I love the feel of this case. It's amazing. Oh, she's made, like a little coin, some little embellishments. I will definitely put these in my December daily. This is the collection that I'm working with, and she's gifted me some to make myself as well. Always so thoughtful. So I can put these in my December daily. You will see me finish my December daily probably by the end of 2020's Christmas, because that's exactly how long it takes me to accomplish that book. I work away at it. I've got all the pictures taken and all the journaling done, so it's just a matter of putting it all together. So she's gifted me some ribbon. I saw her buy this vintage lace and she hauled that. I can never have enough different ribbons. That's one thing I don't seek out purchasing. I love this trim with this gold all around it, and like this little pom-pom fringe. This looks like this has been handmade. It's like a little candle coaster or something. Very sweet. So super thoughtful, all nice colors for Christmas. And then in the final drawer, My absolute favorite thing to receive from any crafty pen pal or swap partner is definitely sequins. I absolutely adore these trees, and this mix is a nice color. I've had the wood colored ones, but never green colored ones. Oh, look, she gave me one of her sequin mixes from PAPERCAKES. She makes these gorgeous sequin mixes. I absolutely love that, and definitely will enjoy making a little shaker pocket for my album out of that. I don't have any silver sequins like this, so that's great. And then she's also gifted me some of these fun little baubles here that she used herself, and it makes such a pretty touch on that packaging there. I will definitely cherish all of that. And then I can reuse this, and this is something that is perfect for me because I do a December daily both year round, like I just finished saying. Like, it takes me a long time to complete it. My goal is to just enjoy the process, never rush it, and to always have it finished before the next holiday season begins. So that is what I will do there. So I will enjoy having this out on my desk year round with the wintry theme, although there's nothing here really that screams like a traditional sort of Christmas, other than the fact that there's a tree on top of a car. Like this sort of scene that she's created here could just be anything year round. And then one more wrapped present, which is so fun to be able to open something up after Christmas is over. It's now, what did I just finish saying was my favorite thing to receive? Oh, like, honestly, there is no better gift. I heard that you need sequins. Purple. Oh, I'm so grateful. Red, pink, you guys, this is just so thoughtful. Green, blue, and then black and white. These are amazing, and I love the little packages that they come in. The packages that I get stuff in, I'll show you, like, when we buy sequins, they come in little bags, and they're so hard, like, because you can't reseal them, so I just, like, use whatever tape is on my desk to sort of kind of fold it over and reseal it. But, like, this is something I got from the dollar store, but they're never a solid color. You always have to use sort of a mix of what they've given you, or you have to sort of pick out the colors that you want. So for me to have, like, separated, rainbow-colored sequins of everything I could possibly want at my fingertips in nice packages that I can put back together with just putting a lid on it is so wonderful. So that is so thoughtful. Thank you so much, Serena. I can link a video here of the Halloween happy mail that I sent her that inspired her to send me a very thoughtful thank you happy mail in return. So she really, I was really not expecting anything. I really just wanted to send the love to a fellow paper crafter who I adore, and I'm so grateful that she sent this to me. I will have it on my desk and think of her always. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you here, and I'll leave all of Serena's information down below as well. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next time.